Hello everybody, here today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the front stabilizer link on 2009 Subaru Impreza. So before I get it started, let me show you the part number. Part number in here is a 20470SA001 Subaru part number, okay? So the stabilizer link in here, and the nut in here is number 17mm. These two nuts. And okay, let's get it started, guys. Do it a little bit faster. I'm gonna do the vice structure. Me. So it's out. So one nut's out. Let me remove the topper. So okay, both nuts out. Let me release my vice. See, this is O-ring. And let's install the new stabilizer link. Put one nut in first. If the ball here spanned, you need to use some special tool, okay? For yeah, we use hex number, what's it? It's number 5. Okay, guys, and let's see. Let me tie up with the air gun first. I don't know it will spin or not. It's not spin. I'm good to go. Oh, it's in smoothly, so here you go. So you can put hex in here and tightening the nut, okay? So right now it's all set to go, guys, and it's how to remove and install the stabilizer link. And thank you so much for watching my video. If you guys have any questions, just let me know, and thank you.